Welcome back. As previously we have learned that how we can create tasks in MS or project, and in this lecture what we are going to learn is what is the difference between manually scheduled and auto scheduled tasks, and what are the purpose of these columns which we have basically added here in our project plan. So this is the task mode in which when I click here, I can see here manually scheduled and auto scheduled. If I mark all these tasks as manually scheduled, then I input the duration. Duration, as we have discussed in the earlier lecture, the duration is having the unit which we have configured in our schedule. So for example, if I put here 10, then the unit which I have in my schedule for the duration is days, and this can be changed. If you, as per your project requirement, you can change the unit for this duration as well. So 10 days, I select here 5 days, I select here 2 days. Then in manually schedule, you have to also provide the start date for that particular task. For example, if I am providing here the start date for task 1 is 30th of November, then the inputted duration added on that date, excluding the weekends, provide me the finish date. As you can see here in the Gantt chart as well, the task is starting from Monday 30th of November, ending on 11th of December 2020, excluding the working days, excluding the weekends. Basically the Saturday and Sunday are excluded from it. Similarly, I have to define here the starting date for these tasks as well. However, now what we are going to do is adding 2 more tasks, and I am making these tasks as auto schedule. Now just see the impact. When I click on auto schedule, you can see that the duration is still, it's asking me when it says excuse mark, it means that by default it's saying that what is the duration, 1 day or what. So I still have to input the duration here, but the start and the finish date is my project date, which is configured in this project plan. Similarly, I will go and select this as auto schedule. Then the same process, I will put here that this is for 12 days and this is for, let's suppose, 7 days. Again, the tool will do the same, calculate the finish date based on the duration provided, and this will also reflect that this particular task is starting from 30th of November, ending on 15th of December. So this is the difference between manually scheduled and auto schedule, which you can utilize as per your requirement. You're doing great. Keep moving forward. I will see you in the next lecture.